Hey moneymakers, what happens if you mix 3 niche together and create one masterpiece that is being loved by everyone? And that's exactly what this one channel did. They started just a month ago, posted a new video every single day. And guess what? In that short time, they already gained more than 400k subscribers. Yes, that fast. Now here's the crazy part. One of their videos that dropped just yesterday already has 40,000 plus views. Another one from last week, almost 2 million views. And they keep growing like wildfire. So, how are they doing it? They've combined 3 niches that are already powerful on their own. Lo-fi background music, viral point-of-view stories, historical storytelling, and when you blend all 3, you get a super calming, super bingeable video that people actually want to fall asleep to. The videos are long, like really long, over 2 hours each. But instead of boring, they feel relaxing, immersive, and kind of hypnotic. They're not just telling history. They make you feel like you're inside the story, like you're walking through ancient Rome, or sailing with pirates, or standing on a battlefield, all while soft lo-fi music plays in the background and a peaceful voice tells you everything. And here's why they are uploading 2-hour-long videos. As they get more watch time, which will lead to more ads being played, and more ads means more revenue altogether. Now you might think this takes days to create, but actually, you can make these kinds of videos in under an hour. And the best part? You don't need to spend a single dollar for it. Every tool they're using is completely free, and I'm going to show you all of it. Alright, now here's what we'll do in this video. I'll show you how to find viral topics, then we'll write the script with AI, we'll generate voiceovers, images, and even edit the full video. So hit on like button, grab a cup of coffee, and watch this video with me till the end. Let's get started. But if you've got a budget, don't have time, or you're just tired of making videos that don't get results, then I've got something special for you. I offer a done-for-you YouTube channel service. I'll handle everything for you, from finding the perfect niche, to script writing, and to generating the videos, and even uploading them. You can book a free call with me to discuss it. The link is right there in the description. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the point. So first of all, to make these kinds of videos, we need brainstorming video ideas. And yes, we're not some expert who'll magically get amazing topic ideas just like that. So for that, we'll take help from our best friend, ChatGPT. Yes, first we'll explain to ChatGPT what kind of channel we're planning to make, what its concept is, and everything else. For that, you have to copy the link of the channel and come to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, type, "Hey ChatGPT, I'm going to create a channel like this. Are you ready to help me?" Then paste the link of that channel. ChatGPT will analyze that channel properly. Now we'll make it generate awesome, highly clickable video ideas. I've tried many prompts for this, spent 1 hour testing with ChatGPT, and finally prepared a perfect prompt. Using this prompt, you can generate video topics exactly like the reference channel. I've added this prompt to a Google Doc. You can get the link by joining my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So you just need to read the prompt carefully. If you want, you can make your own small changes and copy it. I've covered all the details in it, so you don't need to worry. It will give you perfect results. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. And boom, ChatGPT will give you 25 new video topic ideas. They will match your niche, be clickable, and people will like them. And sometimes people comment saying ChatGPT doesn't give them the same results. That can happen. Free users and plus users may get different results. I have the Plus plan, so ChatGPT gives well-researched answers. But don't worry, I'll also add those 25 topics into the Google Doc, so you can use them for your videos. Alright, so now we have 25 video topics. Now we need to start making videos on them. But remember, just because you've decided on some topics doesn't mean you'll only work on those forever. No, not like that. You should keep watching your competitors' channels. See which types of topics they're focusing more on. If there's any new trend or if they've made any changes, you need to keep track of all that. And you should also keep bringing such changes to your own channel. Because in this YouTube journey, nothing is fixed. You need to keep moving with the time and the trends. Alright, now it's time to generate the script. And yes, we're going to generate the script using ChatGPT too. And I know, The script that ChatGPT gives is usually short, but we want to make videos that are 2 hours or even longer. So for that, I've found a trick that lets you make a script as long as you want using ChatGPT. Let me show you how. I've spent half a day putting in effort and created a perfect prompt for it. I first gave ChatGPT the scripts from a reference channel and explained everything properly. This took a lot of effort. Then I created a perfect prompt. If you use this prompt, you'll get almost the same result. And trust me, the script won't even feel AI generated. Now listen carefully. First, you need to pick your topic from the list of video topics. For example, I chose the African king who traveled with 100 camels full of gold. Now, go to my Google Doc and head to the section called Prompt for Generating Script. Paste your chosen topic into that prompt. In that prompt, I've already told ChatGPT to generate a script of 15,000 plus words, divided into 15 sections. If you want the script to be even longer, just increase the numbers in the prompt. Each section will be around 1,000 words, and ChatGPT won't give you the entire script at once. It will give you 2 sections at a time. So you'll say continue, and ChatGPT will give the next 2 sections. Then again say continue, and it will give the next 2. In this way, you can generate a script as long as you want. So now let's copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT has already generated the first 2 sections of the script. If you notice the beginning, it doesn't feel like a normal robotic video script. It starts just like how a real person would talk, which helps your audience connect with the video instantly. So this is exactly what you need to do. Follow the steps I taught you, and you'll be able to generate scripts like this easily. Now, you just have to type continue, and ChatGPT will give you the first 2 sections of the script. Keep repeating this process and keep adding each part into a Google Doc. That way you'll end up with a script that's over 2 hours long. And the best part? Without putting in too much effort. So once your script is ready, let's move to the next step. But wait. Do you know how much effort your AI Maskman puts into figuring all of this out for you? I've explained everything so clearly. How to make the perfect script, shared my best tips and tricks to get the best results. And still, some of you leave without liking, commenting, or even subscribing. Come on, that's not fair. So if you want me to go even deeper and explain everything step by step in my next videos, make sure you comment below and let me know. Alright, now that the script is done, the next thing we need is a voiceover. If you can use your own voice, that's amazing. But only if you have a good mic setup where you can record in a soothing and relaxing tone. Because that's really important for these types of videos. Otherwise, you'll need to use some AI tools that give you natural sounding voices. Because in such long videos, choosing the right voice makes a huge difference. To generate the voiceover, I'm going to use Dubdub AI. Because this tool gives lots of settings and voice options to help you create natural sounding voiceovers. So first, go to Dubdub AI. You'll even get a 3-day free trial to test it out. Just sign in, and once you're on the dashboard, you'll see many different features. But from those, choose the voiceover option. You'll see a screen that looks like this based on your tool interface. Click on it, and in the voiceover section, choose your voice. You can select the language, gender, age, and accent. Also choose Ultra from these available options. You can also go to the multi-emotive section and choose a voice from there.
Let's turn ideas into reality.
You'll get an option to select the emotion too. So whatever emotion you pick, the voice will match that mood, which is amazing. But for these types of calming storytelling videos, I always choose a voice from the motivational section. It fits this niche perfectly.
In the quiet shadows of Birmingham, we make our own rules, cross this bridge, and it's the last mistake you'll ever make.
So right now I'm selecting Jason Miller's voice.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
After selecting the voice, start copying the script, 2 sections at a time, and keep generating the voiceover for each part using Dubdub AI.
You wake just before dawn in the heart of 14th century West Africa. The air is thick and warm, holding the scent of dust, distant incense, and something vaguely like roasted millet. Somewhere nearby, a goat grumbles like an old man.
Now there are many settings available here to make your voice more realistic, such as you can add pauses between sentences and words. You can change speed, pitch, and many more. So once you are satisfied, click on Export and download the audio. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. But before we move ahead, did you know I recently hit 50,000 subscribers? And to celebrate that, I've slashed the price of my school community. You can now get lifetime access for just $149. Yes, lifetime access to all my courses. Plus, I host 2 weekly live group calls, where you can ask your questions, get your channel reviewed by me, and I'll guide you through your full YouTube journey in detail. So join now before the price goes up. This is your chance to learn everything and grow faster. The link is in the description. Alright, now let's get back to the video. To generate the images, we'll use 2 free AI tools. I'll share those with you shortly, so stay tuned. But before that, we need prompts that actually match our script and follow the same style. For this, go back to my Google Doc and copy the prompt I've added there. Make sure to generate images section by section. In the prompt, you also need to mention how many images you want for that particular section. If you try to generate prompts for all sections at once, ChatGPT might mix up the scenes, which can mess up the whole visual flow. So it's better to create prompts individually for each section. But before generating the prompts, you first need to give ChatGPT some image references. Take screenshots of the images from the reference channel and say, just analyze these images. This helps ChatGPT understand the style and mood of the visuals. Then, paste your script prompt. And boom, ChatGPT just gave me 10 image prompts for section 1, perfectly aligned with the story. Then, for the next part, you just need to type, continue for section 2. And that's how you'll generate image prompts for each section of your script, one by one. Now let me tell you about 2 tools you can use to generate these images for free. Tool 1, GenTube app. First, search for GenTube app. Not GenTube AI, just GenTube app. Open the tool and click on Create. Now in the text box, paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Then go to the Style section and select Vintage Oil Painting. For the ratio, choose 4:3, because 9:16 is not available in this tool. Don't worry, we'll later adjust the 4:3 image into a 9:16 frame during editing. And just look at the result. You can already see how amazing these images turn out. Now simply download the image and rename it, so it's easier to manage during editing. Repeat this process for each image, one by one, and keep saving them. Alright, now the second tool is Piclumen AI, which also lets you generate free images. Just sign in using your email. Then go to the dashboard and click on Create. In the text box, paste the prompt again. Now from the model options, select Piclumen Art V1. Then go to the ratio section and choose 9:16. This way, you'll have high-quality, perfectly styled images for every scene of your video. And finally, click on Generate. Here's the result, and it looks great. So whichever tool you feel more comfortable with, you can use either one. Now that our images are ready, let's move to the next step. The last step, editing. For editing, I'm going to use the CapCut desktop app. Open CapCut and import all your material. First, add your voiceover file to the timeline. Adjust the volume if it's too low or too loud. Then, arrange the images on the timeline according to your voiceover. Now go to the ratio setting and choose the screen format 16:9. Since some images are in 4:3 ratio, you'll need to stretch and adjust them inside the frame. Do this for each image so they fit the screen properly. Now go to the adjustment section and choose custom adjustment. We want a slightly blackish old school dull look, so decrease the saturation, contrast, and shadows. Also, increase the size of the vignette to get that vintage feel. If you want a foggy effect, search for it under the Effects tab. But most of them are paid effects. So if you don't have CapCut Pro, let me give you a little trick instead. But before that, let's add the spark effect throughout the video. Now, your video is over 2 hours long, so yes, editing will take time. Take your time and edit it properly. Also, if you watch some of these viral videos, you'll notice that they don't add images throughout the entire video. In fact, in less than half of the video, they show images. In the rest, they just add these sparkling, minimal visual effects, because many people watch these videos while falling asleep. So for them, the voice matters the most, and they just leave the video playing while sleeping. That's why you should do the same. Add images in less than half of the video, and for the rest, use soft background visuals like this. You'll find these kinds of videos on Pexels, or you can even download them from Canva. So first on Canva, I'll download a foggy background video. This will help us add that calming effect. Then search for Spark Effect Background. You'll find lots of good options to choose from. Remember, what I'm showing you are just examples. You should use your own creativity while editing. That's the only way you'll be able to make unique videos that stand out. Now come back to CapCut and import both the fog and spark videos. I'll add the fog video on the upper layer of the timeline. Then from the default blending options, select Color Dodge. And just look at it, it gives a perfect sleep story vibe. You'll also find similar visuals on YouTube. Just search terms like fog black screen effect or green screen spark effects. Now go to the Transitions tab, and between every clip, add a black fade transition. It gives a smooth, soft feel. And that's it. Your video is now ready to be uploaded. This is how you can easily create viral historical storytelling videos using AI. But wait, before we check the demo video, I have a surprise for you. Whoever comments on this video, I'll be picking one lucky winner, who will get free access to my AI Maskman School Academy. So go crazy in the comments. The more you comment, the higher your chance to win a free subscription to my community.
You wake just before dawn in the heart of 14th century West Africa. The air is thick and warm, holding the scent of dust, distant incense, and something vaguely like roasted millet. Somewhere nearby, a goat grumbles like an old man. You stretch beneath a linen canopy, the edges fluttering slightly in the breeze. If you can call the breath of a Sahara morning a breeze, it's barely enough to keep the flies second-guessing. Your sandals are already dusty before your second step, because of course they are. Dust is eternal here. Dust gets everywhere, into shoes, food, beards, and even royal secrets. And today, you're not just anybody. You're a humble traveler in the retinue of Mansa Musa, the king of Mali, a man so rich that gold clings to his cloak like crumbs on a pastry chef. You step out of your tent and blink against the low sun. Camels snort in the distance, 100 of them to be precise. Each sag.
Now let's check out our demo video.